Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best car tracker is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle. In today's world, where car theft is on the rise, having a reliable car tracker and kill switch can provide you with peace of mind. These devices not only help you locate your vehicle if it's stolen but also allow you to remotely disable it, preventing unauthorized use and potential damage. Number 5. CARLOCK 4G Car Tracker and Car Alarm System. This device tracks your car in real time using 4G. It immediately notifies you of any suspicious activity, keeping you informed about your vehicle's status. Work and sleep without worry. The system monitors your car and alerts you on your phone. It detects movement, engine starts, unusual vibrations, and even if the device is disconnected. Keep an eye on your teen drivers. The device detects harsh acceleration, hard braking, and sharp cornering. This helps you monitor their driving habits. It actively monitors your vehicle's health. The system alerts you in advance if your car battery is running low or experiencing high drain, helping you prevent issues. This GPS tracker and car alarm provides detailed trip tracking. You can monitor where your car has been, whether it's stolen or a driver is going off course. Get all these features for only $9.95 per month, with the first month free. It uses cloud computing, internet storage, GPS tracking, and a modern app for both Android and iOS. What we like. This device offers comprehensive real-time tracking and alerts for suspicious behavior. It also monitors your teen's driving habits, providing valuable insights into harsh acceleration and braking. If you have a new driver in the family or want to keep an eye on your car's health, this is a great choice. What people say. The GPS tracker is very accurate. The kill switch feature is a great security measure. Installation was straightforward. Number 4. Optimus GPS Tracker, easy install, affordable tracking. This GPS tracker is designed for easy installation. It hardwires directly to your car's battery with just 2 wires. It's a straightforward setup for immediate tracking. Enjoy a low-cost monthly subscription. For only $12.95, you get full access, and you can cancel anytime. There are no hidden fees, just straightforward, affordable tracking. Get real-time updates every 30 seconds. This ensures you have the most up-to-date information on the vehicle's location. It provides accurate and responsive tracking. Receive instant alerts via email and text. You'll be notified of movement, speeding, zone entries, exits, and power disconnections. It also provides driving reports and historical data. The tracker offers reliable coverage across the entire USA. This ensures that you can track your vehicles no matter where they operate. It provides a seamless tracking experience. The system detects harsh driving behaviors. It monitors acceleration, braking, and cornering. This feature helps you monitor driving habits for safety. What we like. This tracker is easy to install, connecting directly to your car's battery. It offers a flexible, affordable subscription plan with no hidden fees. If you are looking for a straightforward, cost-effective tracking solution with precise real-time updates, this is the one for you. What people say. It updates at 30-second intervals, which is adequate for my use, which is to track the car if it is stolen. Installation is as simple as splicing into a 12V wire, hot at all times, and a ground wire. The Optimus tracker has been absolutely amazing since the day I started using it. It does its job exactly as advertised, reliable, accurate, and consistent. Number 3. Trackmate T11 GPS Tracker. Worried about vehicle theft? This tracker helps you find and monitor your car's location in real time. It provides nationwide coverage, ensuring you always know where it is. This device offers remote door lock-unlock functionality and even a kill switch. You can remotely control the ignition and activate the alarm. It also allows you to set up geofences for alerts. It's perfect for fleet management, offering route tracking, driving history analysis, and insights into driver behavior. You can monitor idling time, harsh driving events, and mileage. Group vehicles by type within the app. Whether you need to track employees, family members, or commercial vehicles, this device has you covered. The easy-to-use app allows you to create groups and tags for easy monitoring. It's designed to give you peace of mind. Trackmate is known for its excellent US-based customer service. They offer a no-questions-asked refund policy. They guarantee you'll get the tracking tool you need for your vehicle. What we like. This device stands out with its remote door lock, unlock and kill switch features, offering enhanced security. It also provides advanced reports and is ideal for fleet management. If you like the peace of mind of controlling your vehicle remotely and need robust tracking from multiple vehicles, consider this. What people say. Our tracking devices utilize both AT&T as well as the T-Mobile networks. The SIM card detects the nearest cell tower and uses that particular tower to transmit geolocation information. You can disable the fuel pump via the app in case any theft event, even when the car is in movement. I have tried this a few times, to make sure it works, and works flawless anytime. Number 2. SpySpot GV53MG 4G GPS Vehicle Tracker. Introducing the SpySpot GV53MG. This 4G GPS vehicle tracker comes with a kill switch relay. It allows you to disable the ignition remotely from your phone, tablet, or computer. Get real-time updates on your vehicle's speed and location. The tracking portal provides satellite and street views, along with a 6-month history log. This gives you detailed insights into its movements. Installation is easy and can be done behind the dashboard. It can be installed at any audio or auto repair shop. You'll receive instant notifications when the vehicle enters or exits designated areas, and alerts for excessive speed. The SpySpot GV53MG offers coverage in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, and Mexico. There's no contract required. Choose from affordable monthly plans, starting as low as $15 when paid annually. You can cancel anytime. The premium plan provides updates every minute, and allows you to enable or disable the ignition as needed. It also gives in-depth data on vehicle habits with speed alerts. What we like. This tracker includes a hardwire kill switch, allowing you to disable the ignition remotely. It offers coverage across the US, Canada, and Mexico. If you are looking for a device with international coverage and the ability to remotely disable your vehicle, it's a solid choice. What people say. We had SpySpot installed, and it's perfect. It makes it so the car won't start, and also gives us a backup method to track where the car is. Product works good. Literally saved my car from getting stolen 3 days after installing. I love this product. I'm able to locate and kill the engine on my truck. Number 1. SpySpot GV53MG 4G Kill Switch GPS Tracker. This 4G hardwire GPS tracker comes with a kill switch relay. It allows you to remotely disable the ignition of your vehicle. You can do this from your smartphone, tablet, or computer, no matter where you are. The GPS tracking portal provides real-time updates. You can see the vehicle's speed, location, and even a breadcrumb trail. It also offers a 6-month history log for your convenience. Installation is simple and can be done behind the dashboard. Any audio or auto repair shop can handle it for you. You'll also receive instant notifications for entry-exit zones and speeding alerts. This tracker works throughout the United States, Canada, and Mexico. There's no contract required, giving you flexibility. The monthly service is very affordable. It can be as low as $9.95 per month if you pay annually. You can cancel the service at any time, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This device also features a hardwire kill switch for remote ignition disabling. It provides real-time updates and is easy to install. If you like the peace of mind of remote control and need a simple, reliable tracking solution, this is a great option. What people say. Works very well if professionally installed. I have purchased 9 of these GPS tracking devices over the last 2 years and they are simply glorious. It provides great peace of mind and security knowing that I always have accountability of the locations of my cars and the ability to disable the vehicles if the situation requires. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.